Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to revise nouns, common noun and proper noun. Nouns. Nouns are the words that name people, places, animals or things. For example, tree, India, Tom, girl, etc. Children, you learnt about two types of nouns, common noun and proper noun. Now let us see the difference between common noun and proper noun. It may help you to identify type of noun. Common noun, a noun that gives a general or common name to a person, place, animal or thing is called a common noun. For example, girl, school, cat, car, etc. Proper noun, a noun that gives a specific or particular name to a person, place, animal or thing is called a proper noun. Examples: Ricky, Red Fort, Pluto, Honda City, etc. Let us see the second point. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. Examples: Apples are delicious. I like apple. Children, here apple word is a common noun. But in the first sentence, apples A first letter is capital because when common noun comes in the beginning of the sentence, it will be capitalized. In the second sentence, I like apples. Here, apple is a common noun and it is in between the sentence. So, apples A is a small letter here. But remember children, whenever common nouns begin a sentence or are part of a title, they will be capitalized. Otherwise, generally, common nouns start with a small letter. Proper noun. Proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Examples: My friend name is Anu. India is my country. Here, in the first sentence, Anu is a proper noun, and in the second sentence, India is a proper noun. So, Anu's A and India's I are capitalized. Children, this is how we learnt about nouns, two types, common noun and proper noun. Now let us see few more examples, common nouns and proper nouns. Here, girl, in the common noun, girl is a general name. Teacher, dog, cow, garden, city, car, pencil, holidays, country, state, day, month, road, these are the common nouns. By the other side, Reena, Mrs. Sun, Tom, Sumitra, Visava Garden, Nanded, Honda City, Maharashtra Day, India, Maharashtra State, Sunday, July, Purna Road, these are the proper nouns. Children, I have taken here few flashcards. Let us read one by one. We are from London. Have you been to Delhi? He works in a bank. We visited the temple. Here, in the first two flashcards, Delhi and London, these are the particular names of the places. Thus, they are proper nouns and first letters are capitalized. In the second two flashcards, temple and bank, these are the general names of the places. Thus, they are common nouns. So, the first letters are small letters. Now children, let us learn more about common noun and proper noun.
common and proper. The general name of a person, place, animal, or a thing is a common noun. For example, he is a clown. In this sentence, we are talking about a clown. Clown is a general name for the person. They live in a city. In this sentence, we are talking about a city. City is a general name for the place. It is his dog. In this sentence, we are talking about a dog. Dog is a general name for the animal. This is a pastry. In this sentence, we are talking about a pastry. Pastry is a general name for the thing. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. Special names given to people, places, pets, days, months, organizations, etc. are proper nouns. For example, John, the clown, entertains people in a circus. In this sentence, we are talking about John, the clown. John is a special name for the clown. They live in Mumbai. In this sentence, we are talking about Mumbai, a city. Mumbai is the special name for the city. His dog's name is Pluto. In this sentence, we are talking about Pluto the dog. Pluto is the special name for the dog. All proper nouns begin with capital letters. The special name given to a country, city, road, river, mountain, monument, festival, etc. is a proper noun. Words in a proper noun begin with a capital letter. For example, my uncle lives in New Zealand. The Red Fort is situated in New Delhi. My school is on Mahatma Gandhi Road.
Children, this is how we learnt about difference between common and proper noun. And let us meet in the next e-learning class. Till the time, stay home. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.